Hello and welcome back to Car Industry. Today, we are not just looking at a car. We are looking at the reinvention of a segment. Forget everything you thought you knew about the compact luxury class, because the 2026 Mercedes-Benz A-Class is here to completely redefine it. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution. And it's the new gateway to the world of Mercedes. The A-Class has always been a major player, but for 2026, Mercedes has taken the entry-level concept and injected it with flagship DNA, built on the brand's all-new electric-first MMA Platform. This car represents a massive shift. The design language, first of all, is absolutely stunning. It's ripped straight from the dramatic concept CLA, giving the A-Class a long, sleek hood, and a distinctly athletic profile that truly makes it look like a shrunken CLS. Those lines are sharp, the surfaces are clean, and the overall impression is one of sensual purity, Mercedes' own design philosophy dialed up to 11. Up front, you'll find a more aggressive signature grille, potentially with the illuminated star pattern, flanked by ultra-slim, digital LED headlights. Around the back, the horizontal light bar connects the sleek taillights, giving it a broader, more modern stance that instantly screams high-end. But where the 2026 A-Class truly shines, and where it leaves its competitors in the dust, is on the inside. Prepare yourself, because the old dual-screen setup is officially out. The new A-Class is expected to feature a streamlined version of the mind-blowing MBUX Hyperscreen. This seamless, expansive glass panel stretches across the entire dashboard, housing the driver's display, the central infotainment hub, and even a dedicated passenger screen. It's a digital masterpiece powered by the new MBUX operating system, which is a game-changer in terms of artificial intelligence and personalization. This car won't just respond to your voice. It will learn your habits. It will anticipate your needs, suggesting climate control adjustments, routes, and even your favorite playlist, making the cockpit an incredibly intuitive and personal space. The interior materials are also a step up, with a focus on sustainable, premium finishes and an ambient lighting system that's more immersive than ever. Now, let's talk performance and efficiency. This new architecture is designed for an electrified future. So while we expect highly efficient mild hybrid petrol options, the plug-in hybrid version is the real story. Rumors suggest a substantial increase in electric-only range, potentially hitting that crucial 100-kilometer mark, or about 62 miles on a single charge. This turns the A-Class into a genuine electric commuter for daily use, with the combustion engine acting as the reliable backup for longer trips. For the pure AV version, expect fast charging capabilities thanks to an advanced electrical system, ensuring minimal downtime. The focus isn't just on power, but on smart power, delivered smoothly and dynamically. It's important to note the market dynamics here. Despite previous plans to discontinue the A-Class, strong European demand has reportedly convinced Mercedes to keep the hatchback in its lineup, likely extending the current generation's life alongside this new wave of MM-based compacts. But make no mistake, this 2026 model, whether it's a completely new generation or a heavily re-engineered continuation, is the future of the compact Benz. It brings the luxury, the technology, and the driver assistance systems typically reserved for the S-Class down to a more accessible, city-friendly size. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz A-Class is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's Mercedes declaring that entry-level doesn't have to mean compromised. It means cutting-edge design, a revolutionary digital experience, and efficient electrified power. This is the compact luxury car you've been waiting for. What do you think of this dramatic shift in the A-Class? Is the Hyperscreen the future, or too much? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car Industry for more deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.